Aloha. This is my new splitter from American Hydrocarbon. It's a one-piece exposed carbon fiber Stingray R graphic is in there with clear coat over it. I like this one much better than the stock one, and it has the little winglets on the side, which I really like. It uses the stock bolts, so all you do is take out the 7mm bolts and bolt this right on. Again, it's from American Hydrocarbon. I paid, I think, $899 for the exposed carbon fiber, but you can get it in body color as well. Anyway, aloha and stay safe.